This is Mr. Coffee Bean. He's had a long journey from South America and just arrived in Europe. Now he's looking for the right outfit to continue his journey to the consumer. He has heard that some kinds of packaging may be more sustainable than others. Alternatively, he can choose a customized outfit which will suit him perfectly for all his individual needs. This is Mr. Taylor. He is famous for his expertise in flexible packaging. His many clients love his multi-material approach, which allows for custom-designed outfits which are efficient, minimalist, and meet all the individual's special needs. Mr. Taylor makes clothes with the perfect product-to-pack ratio, keeping in mind not only its effectiveness, but also its efficiency. While some packaging may seem like an effective solution, its product-to-pack ratio is seldom as resource-efficient as flexible pack, even with high recycling rates. Mr. Taylor has a motto. He believes that it is better to invest energy and resources into a tailor-made packaging solution to make sure that his customer does not risk getting damaged or wasted. In other words, resource efficiency and top performance normally make the best outfit, not necessarily the best recycling rate. Flexible packaging allows Mr. Taylor to use the best materials to produce the perfect fit for each client's individual needs. Seeding, watering, fertilizing, transport by the road, and across the oceans. And finally, roasting. By the time you stepped into my studio, more than half of the energy and resources you need for your entire life have already been invested. But what about the remaining energy and resource use? Where are they consumed? Let's go and see for ourselves. Weather can be very stressful when one is on the road, and since the journey to the consumer is a long one, we had better make sure Mr. Bean travels well protected. This way, the coffee beans will arrive still having all their aroma and flavor. But it's not only the weather that can make or break a long trip. Whether you're on a plane, a truck, or a train, you can be surprised by, for example, water. It's smart to be prepared for all of life's many eventualities. Flexible packaging gives smart protection from different types of expected and unexpected influences by functioning as an appropriate barrier if and when it is needed. Another advantage of flexible packaging is that it is efficient to transport and store. This way, there is more space so that your friends can take the ride with you. Having arrived at the consumer's house, the coffee beans still have all their aroma and flavor well preserved. Finally, it's time to get comfortable, so it's off with the clothes to start the process of becoming a delicious, relaxing cup of coffee. By the way, the investment in energy and resources in this flexible pack is just the bit over 2% of the total carbon footprint for the coffee. The investment in energy goes up another 46% during the brewing of the coffee, which is almost half of the total resources and energy spent. And while speaking about consumption, the biggest loss of energy and resources is when it is not consumed and becomes food waste. About 1/3 of all food which is purchased by consumers will eventually be thrown away uneaten, wasting all the resources necessary for the production, distribution, and the packaging. There, Mr. Bean, don't worry. In your flexible packaging outfit, it is very unlikely to happen to you. A perfect fit pack can also offer the perfect solution for a specific consumption occasion, and in that way save more resources. Flexible packaging can easily provide the right size portions, adding convenience and help to prevent food becoming waste. This way, all of the product's quality and all the resources and energy invested in it get preserved to be fully consumed later on with no wastage or quality loss. So, Mr. Bean, now you have the perfect fit, you are ready to become the perfect cup of coffee. Customized flexible packaging is more efficient. It delivers the highest product-to-packaging ratios. It uses less material but still preserves and protects our valuable food resources. It means more material efficiency, more adaptability, and it is always lightweight, saving more resources than it consumes and reducing food waste through better protection and portioning. Customized flexible packaging is the most efficient packaging.